Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LTO. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that LTO has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart, and this was my last video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line dropped down at this support, the previous resistance of the wedge that is now working as a support, and also testing this quite long-term support of 8 cents as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for LTO that I shared in the previous month of 8th of December 2023. I shared this trade signal, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that LTO formed with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range starting from 173 and goes to 163, and this was the sell target zone. And below 163 was our stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 40% pump only on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart. And by the way, here you can also observe that the price line has dropped down in the same potential reversal zone, and now it is gearing up from this same buying zone. Now, if you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that previously it was moving inside this quite big falling wedge pattern, and while moving inside this big wedge, we found another downtrend line resistance here from the month of November 2021. You can see we got rejection here, and stabilizations here as well. And finally, we broke it out. We had a nice pump, but could not break out this long-term downtrend and resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern. And we got stable ejections again. And finally, after testing this quite long-term support of 5.2 cents that had been previously working as a support here for several weeks. And now for the past several weeks, a month, it was again breaking as a support. The price and geared up. And now recently after this breakout, the price and is retesting the previous resistance of 8 cents as a support. And at the same time, it is also moving above the resistance of the previous falling wedge pattern as well. In case of moving more down, it can retest the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. By the way, we have already almost tested this support here of this Fed when we had this long spike in the previous week. And now the next major resistance will be here. That is at 12 cents. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and for several weeks it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. And here it was also breaking as a resistance, and therefore again it can work as a strong and powerful resistance for the price. And then after that, the next major resistance will be here at 18 cents. Now, if we take a look at the target, then the target for this breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here. And sooner or later, the price can hit that target. That is approximately between 92 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.